everyone, welcome back to CodeWithPk. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join growing and community of our coding actuators. Today, I am super excited to kick off of a new project that I'm sure many of you will find incredibly useful. We are going to be building a responsive personal portfolio website, taking it all the way from a Figma design to a fully functional website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In this video, we will start by exploring the Figma design. I will walk you through the key design elements and show you how to export the assets we will need for our website. Then, we will dive into coding, starting with setting up our project structure and writing to the file to create the skeleton of our site. Next, we will style our portfolio using CSS. I will demonstrate how to make our website look exactly like the Figma design, ensuring it's pixel perfect and responsive. This means it will look great on all devices from the desktop monitors to smartphones. Finally, we add some interactivity with JavaScript. I will show you how to create smooth scrolling in effects, interactive elements and other features that will make your portfolio stand out. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone looking to refine your skills, this video will provide you with valuable insights and techniques. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a stunning personal portfolio website that you can proudly showcase to potential employers, clients, or just for yourself. So grab your favorite text editor, open up Figma, and let's get started on building this awesome project together. Don't forget to like video if you find it helpful and leave comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Now let's dive in and turn that Figma design into a beautiful responsive website. So now let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. Guys, let's get started with Figma design. So first of all, we start from the Figma design, then we will come on our coding. So but anyway, so let's get started with Figma design. So for design of Figma, first of all, go on to the Google and search here Google. When you search here Google, so this type of an interface has been coming. In this type of interface, what you can do, you write there Figma. When you write this Figma, this first link is coming like Figma, the collaborative interface design tool. Like in the 2020 or 2021, when the Figma has been not come, I'm using the XD and many people are using the XD because the Figma has been not come. But Figma has been come, and in the Figma there are very advanced tools than XD, so that's why the more people are using Figma, and I'm also be using the Figma. So you do not download it to Figma. It is an online editor. Okay, you do not download it Figma and anything. Okay, let me click on that Figma. It take a little bit loading, but it will be opened very easily. As when it will be opened, so this type of an output has been came like that. Here you can see it. Then click on the new design file. When you click on the new design file, it take a little bit loading, but it will be open it. Then I click on it close. Then when it will be open it, first of all we give our paper size. So when I click here, I am using the MacBook Air. Okay. Now this type of one our artboard has been came. So in this artboard I paste my image. So first of all we starting from image. So what we can do, like let me go here in my downloads, and when I go on my how to create it, then click it, then let me notepad it, and let me come here and let me come down. I'm searching one thing only. Okay, who I am. Okay, not this picture. Let me show you which picture. Okay, here's that picture. Let me show you. Down. Okay, here's. Now copy it and then paste it. Okay, now this image has been come. The link in the description of the image and source code is on the link in the description of the source code. I give you the source code in the link in the description. Okay, now let me download my image. When I downloaded my image, so then I click on the place the image, and then when I place my image, so like that it is looking, and then what I do, I this my output, I I am do like that. Now this type of in my output, this type of image has been came. So what can I do? First of all, let's start to write it. First of all, we select our tool and here we define like code with then space it and pk. Then what you can do, give him size 20, not 20, 25, not 25, 29, not 29, 35. Perfect, this size is perfect. So now what can you do? We are using the Montserrat font in the today's video. In the coding we are also using the Montserrat and here we are also using the Montserrat. If there is not a Montserrat, so let me see, here's Montserrat. Okay, there is some not a Montserrat. Like that it is a Montserrat. Now what can I do? With code width, I am giving him to the bold. Now then what can I do? I click here and then I'm giving color like that and then I'm giving him to be thin, extra thin, not thin. Okay, then I'm selecting the pk. I'm also giving him same color. Now it is looking like that. Here you can see it now. Now what can I do when it is done? So you will be copy and paste it like that here. Then right here about and then in the white color give the font should be thin, regular is perfect, and then the size should be 25. Give him some space. Okay, like that. Let me big my output like that and then I have big it. Now it is good. And now let me paste it like that and then here I am giving him his skills and then I am giving him here port like in the Urdu. I am giving him portfolio and then here I am giving him again paste it like that and here I am giving him contact. So give him a space from here, give a space from here and then give a space from here and give a space from here. Now it is looking like that. Here you can see it. Now when it is looking like that, so let me tell you what you can do. Paste it like that in the center. Right here hello, then like that. Then give him to the white color and then give him to the center. Give him size will be 50, 55. And when it gives the 55, give him to the center of the page. Okay, this is the center of the page. Then paste it again like that and right here I am a freelance front slash and developer and web designer and give him into the center of the page and then do like that. So it's looking like that. But what you can do, give select the I am freelance, select it and give him to the regular. Okay, now it look like that and when it look like that, give him like that. Now I'm thinking this is a perfect. Okay, like that. Now when I do like that, so now let me tell you what we can do. Now we go here and then I make one box. Where is our tools? Okay, now when I make one box like that and in that box what can I do? I gave the none color, I gave only stroke and the stroke I'm giving him like that and little bit. Okay, now when I give him to the little bit like that and then let's come down it and here I write like see my work and I'm giving him size will be 30, and then I'm giving him to the color should be also this, and should be regular, and then small it like that little bit. Okay, come it down, then like that, and then give him like that. And now right down left little bit, and then up. Now it looking like this, but it is not in the center of the page, so let me do it in the center of the page. So for that you will be do like that and like that. Now it is better. Okay, it is looking better, not very pure, it is looking better, but let me give him height. Let me down the height, and the size will be, I'm giving 28 or 27 or 26, and then now here we can write it, and now perfect, it is looking now. Okay, so now what we can do, click on your output and then big your output like that. And when you big it, so now let me tell you what you can do. Come on to the about page. So from the how to come on the about page, copy and paste it like that, and give him to the colors will be red and then yellow to like that, and write here who I am. Okay, when you write here who I am, then here we can center line it, and then click on the pen tool and then make one line here, and then come like that and give the color like this, and give the strokes will be like that. Okay, now when you do like that, so let me tell you what you can do here. Now what you can do here, make one circle here. When you make circle here, down in the down, give the no color here and increases border. Then when you do like that, so let me tell you what you can do here. Now come here and in the index.html page, and then drag and drop it into here. And when you drag and drop into here, big this picture, and then do like this. Okay, now it is looking beautiful. Then let me small it because I'm thinking it is very bigger. But when we do it like that, so now let me tell you what we can do. Here we can do like that. Now it is medium. Okay, now what we can do, first of all we paste it here, and here we write here free lance designer and developer. Here you will also write your picture also. I do not put here my picture. Then when I write it like that, so now what we can do, here I paste it again, and here I write like I am Ryan Bake, comma, a designer and front and down developer from Malaria, United States, and give him size will be now 55. Give him to the 40, not 40, 50 is, 55 is good, but give him size will be 45. In the center, black color, and in the black color what you can do here, 45 is 40 is enough now. Now what you can do here, 40, okay, let me give him a space like that, and then 45. What you can do here, you will be select him I am, and then give him to the thin, select bake give him to the thin, and then what you can do here, and give him to the thin, and then from Melodia United States, give him to the thin or regular or light. I am giving him regular, and let me give him also be regular, because thin is very thin and it is not clear. Okay, that's why regular, and it is also be regular. Now I am thinking it is good now, and when I do like that, so now let me tell you what we can do now. Who I am, then click on your output and down it, and now when you do like that, here what you can do, here you write here, let me show you what you can do it, paste it like that. Here you write like I love helping businesses of all size to build and improve their online presence. So in helping business, it should be bold like that. And when you do like that, so now let me tell you what we can do now. Let's come down it. Now paste it like that, and then here you write like I design and develop modern and responsive website, and then I'm giving him to the bold, and I'm also giving him to the bold. So now like that it is do. Now this 3 paragraph I have written, so now we write one last paragraph, and in that paragraph we write aside from development, comma, I like learning languages, and when I go here and playing and watching sports. This last paragraph we have written now. Now when we write this type of one thing, so now let me tell you what we can do now. Here we can go here, and now when we do like that, so here we can big it from here. So now we select our, now again we select our rectangle, and we make here one rectangle and big it from here, enter press like that, and I'm giving him color to the like a little bit black, okay, blue, then in the blue we do like, okay, this color, and when I give this color like that, and now here what can I do, here we write my skills. What can we write here, I write my skills, copy it, paste it, right click, bring to front, right click, bring to front. Why it is not coming in front? Back, let me select it, front, why it is not coming in front, let me see. Okay, when I write here, let me click here, let me back, let me back it, let me front it, and let me go here, front. Why it is not coming, let me see. So let me write here my skills. When I write in my skills, I am giving him color to the red, and then I am giving him to the front, let me remake the box. Okay, let me remake the box. In the box there is some troubles. Let me see it now. Let me see front. Now it is coming now. Okay, so now for that, what you can do, first of all, you copy it like that, and when you copy it, you will click on the front. Now when you click on the front, it has been came. When it has been came, so what you can do, you will be put here, and here you write like my skills, and then you give him to the in this color, and give him to the size will be 45. And when I give him to the size will be 45, so let me tell you what we can do. Big it from here, and then lock this box. How to lock it? First of all, we big it, then we lock it from here, and then what we can do here, we will be select it like that, and now there's a center. So like that we can do it. So now we unlock the box again, and let me big this box, and then we lock the box again. So what we can do, first of all, we paste it like here. Here we write 95%, and 95% will be the size will be 80. Sorry, 80. And then when we give size will be 80. Colors will be gray. Colors will be gray. Give him to the 90. Okay. So now what you can do, click here and then do like that. And when you do like that, come down and then give him same color but some light like that, and then copy and paste this code again and give him like that, and colors will be like this. So now it is looking like this. Then thin it like that, not thin like that. Okay, this is perfect. Then what we can do here, we write here HTML/CSS, space it, go here, and then white color. In the white color the size will be 40, not 40, it should be 30. Okay, 30 is perfect size for that. And now when we do this and then we copy it, sorry, and then paste it like that, and here I write like photo shop, and it should be like that. And then what we can do, paste it like that, but it is not coming in our one page. So let me see what we will do. Let me select it and let me do this. Let me thin it like that, and then we do this type of one output, and give him this type of one output also. So now this is perfect. And then what we do, we erase it, erase it, erase it, erase it, erase it, erase it. Then we will copy it and now we paste it, so it will be not give me like any this type of an output. So but anyways, what we will do, we will be copy it like that, select it, and then in the center of the page, and then it give him to the center. Okay, then give him to the 80%. Will be 80% the JavaScript, and then give him to the 85%, and it should be WordPress. And what you can do like that. Now perfect. So here you can see my skill chapter, my skills has been also be built it like that very easily as. No, it is now perfect, I'm thinking, but okay. And then here we can do. Now it is perfect. Now what we will do, now we are come on our portfolio. In the portfolio, what you can do, you only first of all write this portfolio. When you write this portfolio, give him to the black color, portfolio. And when you do this, so let me tell you what we can do. Portfolio, and then big it from here. And when you big it from here, so what you can do, come here and then right click, open with, and then notepad. And when I open it, so here we come down, and then this one placeholder. This link I give you in the link in the description, and source code is also in link in the description. And I paste it. So now it take a little bit loading, but it will give me one image. Let me show you. Let me wait it, okay, till it give me. Let me wait it. Now it is giving like that, but when I go here and when I write here, now this picture, save this picture, and then in the downloads, download this picture, and then go here, downloads, and then drag and drop picture here. Only you do like that, and then I'm not uploading any portfolio because in the coding it is coming soon. Okay, 6 portfolio only now. Why I add that? Because in the coding, let me show you the code. When you open it, so it look like that. Let me show you. Here you can see like, and when we hovering, it is coming like project name coming soon. Like that, why I'm do like that. So now our portfolio section has been also built. So now last will be the chapter. So what we can do for that? First of all, we select our output, and we will be big our output like that, and then we select our rectangle, and in the rectangle it will be bigger like that, and then it look like that, and then here we write like, do you like what you we write like, do you like what you see. Then I'm bringing to the front. One more time our box has the issue. Okay, so let's make the box again. So now let me big it, and then give him color like that, but some dark. Now like that, and here you write like do you like what you see, then question mark. Then here what you can write, let me show you, but first of all give him to the size 50 and give him to the color should be black. And when you write here like that, and what you can do, let me show you, and then here you write like need a web designer, then question mark. A web developer you will be also write, it is your own choice. And then go here and then thin it, not regular, it's perfect, and give him to the 46 or 44. And then here we can select it like that, and give him also be like that. Now perfect is a perfect. So now what we can do now, we will be select our box and give him some light color. Okay, and now I'm locking our box, bigger it like from here, and I'm locking our box. And when I'm lock my box, so what we can do, I will be selected both, and then I give him to the size 50. Now here we do like that. So now it is perfect. So now what we can do now, here we will be make in the up, here's our one button, I have made it like this button. What we will be copy this button, and we will paste this button here. And when we copy and paste this button, select the outline, give him black, select this outline and give him black, and erase it and write here contact me. and now select it and give him down like that, and small your button like that. And when you small your button and give him to the size to be 24, and now like that, and give him to the border should be 3 or 4. Okay, the border is like that, and select this both of them, and then give the effect you will give your own. I am giving the effect should be inner shadow like that. Now when it has been done it, so now let me tell you what we can do now. We'll be put here our logo icons of the Twitter, and then Instagram, and then Facebook. Okay, I'm putting it here and giving him opacity should be down, should be 50. Small it and give him here, and then 50, and then small it and do like that, and then again small it, let me do this, and then small it again. Okay, what is the problem with Instagram logo? Small it, and now when I small it, so give him to the opacity shall be 50. Now I'm giving him to the in the center of the page. So I'm giving him to the width is like that. Copy the width, paste this width, and copy the height and paste this height, and then copy this width and paste this width here. Copy this height and paste this height here. Now it is perfect. Now when it has been perfect, come down. Now what you can do now, select him from here, and when you select him from here, give him like that. You give him like in the black color. You write here confront. Okay, the box has one more problem. When we do like that, now I hope it not give me any problem. So then paste it like that, so on the front. Okay, now here I write like made with by Ryan Bake @2024, and I write like heart. When I write here heart, so heart icon. So where is the heart? Let me go on my images. When I click in this heart, and when I click it, so I am drag and drop in my Figma. Now my heart has been came, and when my heart has been came, I am giving him to the color. I am giving it to like that, and I am giving him to the white in the one line. And then what we can do here like that, and give him like that. Now perfect. So now when it will perfected, so now let me tell you what we can do. First of all, we right click it, down open with the image, and when I open my image, save it, and when I download it, and I click on the remove.bg website, upload image. When I click on the upload image, I upload my hard image, and when I upload hard image, so now it has been removed with the background. So then I go into the file explorer, and then I am replacing my image like here. And when I replace it my image, so what we can do, I write here like made with, then space I am giving here, then do like that. So now it's like made with heart by Ryan Bake 2024. So let's come on it here, select our artboard and do like that. So here you can see it, we have built it. So but let me give some alignment. Okay, so now it is perfect. And then so now here you can see it, we have built it our personal portfolio in our Figma. So here you can see it, let me come down, here you can see it. So now let me run it, let me preview it. So let's see it in the MacBook Pro. Let me show you how it looks. It looks like that. Here you can see it. Come down, you can see it. It looks like that. My skills, then portfolio, then here you can see it. So it is, we built this in the Figma. So in the coding section, we are coming on the coding section. In the coding section, we had a JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. So we built very interactive in the coding. In the Figma, it's not looking like very beautiful, but in the coding, it has very much type of animations, and it will be look very beautiful. But here you can see we built it in our Figma. This responsive personal portfolio. Here you can see we have built it very easily as in our Figma. So let's come on to the coding page and let's do a coding of this website. So let's start and let's do a coding of this website. Guys, here you can see my more video has been came about the Figma to HTML CSS JavaScript. But anyway, so first of all, let's start the coding. Like I have told you how to design this website. So let's start the coding. To start the coding, first of all, you have an text editor. If you don't have any text editor, so let me tell you how to download your text editor. So first of all, what you can do, go on to the Google. When you go on to the Google, I have opened two links. First link is about the Sublime text editor. Sublime text editor is very easy to write the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. And Sublime text editor is also used for beginners. Means beginners is use the Sublime text editor. And when I am beginner, I'm also using the Sublime text editor. But I'm not a beginner. I'm advanced, so that's why I'm using the Visual Studio Code. If you are a beginner who are starting new HTML or CSS or JavaScript, so you will use Sublime Text Editor. If you have done Python like C++, these type of languages, so you will be use the Visual Studio Code. So there are three types of links is coming in Visual Studio Code. First, Windows. I know many people are in Windows, so download on Windows, and then Linux, then Mac. Okay. Then if you are on Linux, download on Linux. If you are on Mac, download on Mac. But in Sublime Text Editor, there are three options like that. It's coming like Mac, Windows, Linux. Linux, who are on Linux, download on Linux. Who are on Windows, download on Windows. Who are on Mac, download the Mac. But anyways, but let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, I go onto my file explorer, and here I might make one file, okay, folder, sorry, and my folder name is create a portfolio template using Figma to HTML, CSS, and Java, like that. Here I make one folder like that. So in that folder, first of all, I go on my Visual Studio Code. When I open my Visual Studio Code, I create a new window, and let me go here. Let me create a new window. When I create a new window, I click to the file, then I click to the new file. When I do like that, here I write like index.html, and I am making this file on my folder that I have make here in my downloads. And when I make this file here by the name of index.html, now let me make one file about the CSS. How to make the CSS file? The same process you will be do. Click file, then new file, then give your file name style.css. Not give your file name like css.css, not this type of a name. Okay. Now save your file where you save your HTML file. Create file. Now here our two file has been built it. So now later on this video we also make a JavaScript file. Just wait a moment. But anyways, let me write a code. Let's start the code. First of all, I write like HTML starting code like HTML, then lang, then e, and this is a starting code of HTML. Okay. Now we write a head. In head we write all all that thing we are needed, like we link the HTML to CSS. In the head section we will do that. First of all, we give the title of our page, and my title of our page is portfolio template, like that. And when I save it and when I open my browser here, so here it's coming like portfolio template, like here you can see it. So like that. Now anyways, let's come on it our Visual Studio Code again. Here what we can do, here we write like meta char set utf/8. Using this type of elements, this is a not necessary element, but I'm writing, okay, meta name viewport, and then content I'm writing width equals to device should be /width. Okay, now this type of one code has been I've written like that. Here you can see it. Now let's come down and let me link it. Link rel style sheet, and here we write like href. So here I am copying the one URL. Okay, let's come on it here, file, then click here, then right click, then notepad, sorry, notepad, and I give you the source code in the link in the description. Okay, this is a link of the our font. Okay, now let's come down again. Now one more font. Okay, these two font are more. Let me go. So now let me space here some. Okay, now let me when it will be do, so let me close my file, and first of all we write here link, then rel, then style sheet href. I'm giving in my href style.css. Why? Because I make the file by the name of style.css. That's why. Now our head section has been ended, so we start our very main chapter by the name of body. So in the body, so first of all we define a div, and in the div we give a class to the menu/responsive. When I do like that, I write like nav means nav bar, then I write like ul, then here I write like li. Here we define our nav bar. Okay, class I'm giving you scroll, href I'm giving you about, copy paste, sorry, paste. When I do like that, so let me erase it, then here like that, here are like skills, then what you are writing here you will be also be right here. Okay, you must know that. Let me erase it, and here are like portfolio, and here are like also portfolio, and here I are like contact, and here I also write contact. Now enter press in your end of the div, and when you enter press like that, so let me tell you what you can do here. Now we define a header. How to define a header? For defining a header, first of all you write like header, then enter press, that div, then give the class, give any class, I'm giving you container, div one more, then class will be row, then I give div, class will be header top. When I do like that, and now enter press, div class, then call/md, then call/md/6 header, then should be top/brand. Okay, like that I have written. Now what can I do? First of all let me tell you, when I do like that, I enter press, I write here h1, and in the h1 I define here span. In the span I write like class, span class will be bold. Here I write like code with, and then here I give space, then pk. Okay, then when I do like that, so then we define a hr to give a horizontal line, and then I define nav, and then nav class will be called slash md slash 6, header shall be top slash nav hidden slash md slash down. Then when I here I like ul, then li, then a class will be scroll, then here are like href hashtag about. Here I also writing about, then copy it again, then paste, and then paste it. And now here we go, and here we write like skills. Here we also write skills, and then here I write like it is it. Here I write like portfolio, and here I also write portfolio. Okay, and then I write here contact, and also here I write like contact. Now, anyways, let me come down, and then we write here div, then class will be call slash md slash 6, header top slash responsive, hidden ig, it is the down up. Okay, and then we enter press. Then when we enter press, first of all, now we write here ul. Let me show you till here what we built. Save here and run it. So till here we have built it. Here you can see it. Now let's come on it here. ul, enter press. li, in the li a, then in the a class menu slash parse, then href hashtag I class will be fa slash parse, then area hidden true, like that. When I do like that, so ul, then nav, okay, ul, then nav. Okay, we define here nav, not ul. Okay, then I define nav, and then I erase it, and here I write nav. Now this type of nav admin came, so now what we can do, we press enter here, then div, then class will be header content, then we define p will be class will be hold will be hello. And when we do like that, so now let me tell you what we can do. Now when we do like that, then we enter press, then I write here p, I am a freelance span, then here I like class hold, then here I like, sorry, not hold, bold, then I write like front and developer, and then here I like and then again we write a span, and in that span first of all we define a class will be bold, and here we define a web designer. Now when it has been done, so what we can do, here we define a will be class, should be btn, should be scroll, and then here we define href should be hashtag portfolio, and here I'll like see my work. So in the portfolio, let me show you what we can do first of all. But we write div class will be header / arrow, enter, then a, then we define a class. In the class I define a scroll, then href I write here hashtag about, and then in here we define a I again, and here I write like class will be fa / chevron / down, and then area hidden. I'm giving the area hidden will be true. Now enter press, then enter press. Now section we define. In the section we write id about, and then one more div, and the div class is container. Then we define h2. There are the h1 family like h1, h2, h3, h4, h5. There are this type of family. Now we are defining h2. H2. In the h2 what we write, let me tell you. In the h2 I write like who I am. Now then hr, what hr do, it make a line in the center of, in the down of the who I am. Okay, now who I am, then here I like image, and then image shaded. Here you write your image, okay, any image what you want. I have the image, I have already the image, okay, but it has been on my here. Let me copy the link of the image. Where? Let me here copy it. Erase it, go here, paste it, and then here we write like in the alt CodeWithPk. Save it and run it. So this type of one image has been came. Okay. So now what we can do? Now we go here and here we write like P. P means paragraph. Class will be lead. Okay. Then when the class will be lead, I write here free launch designer and developer. Then when I write here, then I come down again, we define I comma m, span should be class, should be bold, and then in that I write like Ryan. Then here I write like big comma a, then I define strong, and in the strong we write designer, and then we define here and one more time, then strong again. In the strong we write in front and developer. And when we do like that, so now let me tell you what we can do now. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, till here we do like that. So now let me see how more code are left or not. No, nothing code are left now. So this is one code I have written. Now what we can do now, let me show you. First of all, save from here and run it. So this type of one output item came here, you can see it. Now but anyways, what we can do, we press enter. And when we press enter, let me tell you what we can do. Now we again type P, then I comma M, then here we write like span. Okay. Not here you write that because I have already written it in the above of the code. What you can do here when you do like that, so let me see it. So what you can do, you write here from, then you write here A again, and when you write A again, what you can do, here you write href, then in the href you write your home address, and let me open my Google Map. And when I open my Google Map, like it take a little bit loading, but it will be open it. And when I write here, location should be United States, and I'm picking my location should be United States, and it save me my client. And when I share it, it give me the link, copy link, and then paste it. So like that. And then what can I do? I write here target will be blank, like that. And then I am writing like here United States, okay, United States. And then I write like comma, sorry, Malbia, comma, United States. You give your any country like India or anything, okay. I write like peace will be I love, then strong, then strong tag. Then in the strong tag I am writing helping businesses. And then here I, what can I do? Here I like of all size to build and improve their online presence dot. And then what can I do? Enter press. I write like P again, and then write I, then strong tag. In the strong tag I write like design, and then here I writing like and strong develop, okay. Like why we are defining a strong, we are using a strong tag is to strong element, your text should be bold. Here you can see it like that. Now let's come on it here again and let's write in modern and responsive website. Enter press, one more P, paragraph, and in that paragraph we write like aside from development, comma, I like learning languages, comma, playing and watching sports, like that. And when I do like that, so in the below of the section we press enter, then we define one more new section. In that section we define one ID, and but the ID name is skills, okay. What is the ID name is? ID name is skills, okay. And now enter press, like that. Then div, then class will be container. H2, now we define a H2 should be MySQL because this is a subheading, not a heading. Then HR, in the below of the MySQL there is come the one horizontal line using the HR element. Then div class row, div class skill, call /12, call /lg/6. One more div class, okay, one more div class will be skills, percent should be 95%. Now when I do like that, so now here we enter press, and then div should be class should be progress / container. When I do like that, enter press, one more strong, in the strong HTML / CSS, and then we define div again, is the class progress, enter, div class the progress / bar, then style I'm giving width should be 95%. And when I do like that, let me copy this till here, paste it, then here I write like 80%, and here I like JavaScript. Okay, and then width I'm giving him 80%. Enter, press again, paste it, and now what we can do, now we write here 90% will be, I'm writing like Python, and then what can I do when I write like Python, then here I like 90%, and Python ends will be small, must then enter, press, then one more time you write here, I write 85%, and 85% will be erase it, and 85% will be WordPress I'm writing. Okay, then 85, then come down and enter, press, save it and run it. So this type of one output hasn't came. Here you can see it. Now what can I do? First of all, we define section. In the section we define ID. In the ID, portfolio. Then we define H2 means subheading, and then in the H2 we define portfolio. Then HR, in the below of the portfolio there is come one horizontal line. Then div, then class will be container I am giving him. Then div, one more div, class I am giving him portfolios projects. One more underscore, then enter, press, then div, class will be row, then div, class will be call slash lg slash 4 will be call slash md slash 6. Figure. In the figure I am writing like fig caption. In the fig caption I am writing like h3. Okay, and now we are not at the project. Okay, we not at our project, but I am only writing project name, and I am writing here coming soon, coming soon. And when I write that, href we define here, then we define here I, in the I class fa slash search slash plus area hidden true. And then image I am giving him Serix will be http should be I am giving slash slash via dot placeholder .com slash 300 and then x 250, and then copy from here this whole thing till here. Okay, and you copy it. So let me tell you what you can do. Paste it one more time, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. Save it, run it. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 3 times this has been came. So now what can we do? Let me tell you. Now when till here our work is done, so now we define our last page of the contact. How to define it? First of all, we define a section. In the section you must write ID, and I am giving my ID names will be contact. And then in the div means like in the div I define one class. It helps me in my CSS when I'm installing our project. But anyways, let me write div, and then in div we write like class will be container. Enter. Then p, in the p I am writing like class will be lead. And then I write like do you like what you see, then question mark, and then here I define a p. Then in the p I write, let me show you what can I write. I write here need a, then span class text slash animates, and then when I write like animate, not animate, okay, Then I write like web designer, then question mark, then enter press, then A. Now we define a one class of the btn. Then I'm giving the href I'm giving him like you give any anything. I'm writing href should be rayanbake1253@gmail.com. Okay, when I do that, so now let me tell you what we can do. And here I like contact me. Here you write your email, where I write my email. Then div should be class will be contact social. And then when I write like social enterprise, from here a href hashtag should be target, will be blank, and then I class fa select Twitter. Then area should be hidden. Area should be hidden, should be true. And then select this all, then paste it. Then here you write like here is the Twitter, you write here code pen, and then here we write enterprise. One more time we write this. And now what we can do, first of all, here we write in the href you write your GitHub link. Okay, what is your GitHub link? I have my GitHub, but okay, let me write GitHub. And when I write GitHub, let me open my GitHub, and then here I write like on fake. And then enter press, so it is not coming. So let me write here Amazon. Now it has been came, and I'm just, for example, I'm pasting it. Okay, so copy it and paste it, and like that. And then I'm writing like when I do like that, then in the I section we write here fa GitHub. And when I do like that, so let me tell you what we can do. Enter press, section, id footer, then enter, then p I am giving made width, and then I class I am giving him like fa slash hurt. Then I'm defining like area hidden should be true. Then I'm defining by should be a href. Then here you write your YouTube link. Okay, YouTube channel link, and let me go on my YouTube, and let me go on my CodeWithPk. Let me go on my CodeWithPk, copy it and paste it. Now when I write it, when I paste it like that, so then I write here target should be blank, and then here we write like Ryan bake, and then here I write like I again, then I class I'm giving fa slash copyright, and then area hidden I'm giving him should be true, and here I'm giving him 2024. And then when we do that, so then we define script should be Seric, and in the Seric we write here one more link, and let me copy that link. Right click, open with notepad, let me come down. This is our two links. Okay, let me copy it and paste it. Okay, so now we define in a script Seric script.js, save it. And now let's come on our CSS file. So now let's start to writing our CSS file, because our HTML work has been done. Done, and this type of one output has been coming. When you click onto the Rayan Big, you will be go on my channel, and when you click to contact me, you will come here like that. Okay. Now let's start without wasting time. So let's start. Now first of all, we define body. In the body, we define font family. We are giving a font family should be Montserrat to all the text which we are write in using the HTML. Montserrat, and then dot bold, font width 700, then HR, I'm giving width 5.625 rem, and then height 0.1875 rem. Background color #00 ff60. Now this type of one line has been came. So now what can we do? We write dot btn. In the dot btn we write like padding dot 5 rem, and then 1.5 rem. Then here I write like border 1 pixel, solid should be at the 00 ff60 ff, not double f, not triple f, sorry. Then border radius gave him 0, color gave him same 00 ff60. Okay, then enter press. Then when you do like that, then give him text transform uppercase, then slash webkit slash transition should be all 0.3 seconds. Do like that, and then webkit should be slash transition should be this type of, okay, transition, then slash webkit. Okay, so now slash o, then slash transform, and here you write all 0.3 seconds, and then you write here transition should be all 0.3 seconds. Then what you can do, here we can enter press again. Here we write dot btn hover. Sorry, here dot btn should be hover, and I'm giving the hover should be background color should be hashtag 00fcc, and then color hashtag 252323. Save it and run it. Now this type of one hover is coming in your button. Here you can see it. Now what can we do now? First of all, let's come down it here, and first of all now we define a h2 should be text transform should be uppercase, and then font weight 700, then dot menu should be slash responsive should be background color hashtag 00 ff60, padding I'm giving 2 rem should be 0, and then when I do like that, here we write like dot menu responsive should be h1, margin give the 0 because it's a better margin. Okay, then padding be 0, then list style should be none. Now when you do like till here, so then what you can do, here you write dot menu responsive ulli, then enter, and then when you do like that, like first of all menu responsive, and then here you define like ul not h1, and then here you define when you define here ul and li, right here width should be 100%, and then right here padding should be 1.5 rem should be 0. Then when you write it, you write text align should be center, then right here dot menu responsive ullia here I left font size 1.125 rem, and then colors will be at 2323 and 23, and then menu responsive 2323. okay, when we erase it, here I left 1 2 3 and then 2 3, then slash webkit will be slash transition will be, here I am writing all 0.3 seconds, then slash o slash transition I am writing here all will be 0.1 second. Here let me write here also 0.3 second, it's not matter. So now when I write, and now we write here transitions will be all 0.3 seconds, and the up one is also. So then dot menu responsive, I'm giving him ul li a hover comma dot menu responsive ul li then a then active. Now when I do like that, then we write like color as like fff, and one f has been very smaller, you must know that. Then text decoration should be none. Then you write dot header top, then slash responsive. When you write that, and then you write here ul, and then float should be right, and then here I write like let me tell you dot header top, then slash responsive ulli dot menu slash bars, and then here we write like font size 2.4 rem, color hashtag fff slash webkit slash transition all 3.3 seconds, then slash o slash transition we give like all 0.3 seconds, and then transition I give all 0.3 seconds. Then we write dot header top slash responsive ulli dot menu bars hover comma dot header top, then slash responsive ulli then dot should be dot menu, then slash bars, then dot active. Then you write here color hashtag 00ff6c. When you write that, then come down, then write here header. In the header you define height, which is height, okay, which is 100 vh, and then background image for the background. So you write here URL, and then in the URL you paste your image. I have the link of the image in my folder. Let me go here, let me open it. When I open it, so here's my image, link of the image. Erase it and then paste it, save it, run it. So here's one more image has been came also, and our button is look like this. Here you can see it, and this is coming like that. So now let's come on it here, and then give the background size should be cover, background repeat should be no repeat, and then background position should be tab top. Then here we write dot header top. Here I am writing like padding top should be 2.5 rem, margin bottom should be 6 rem. Okay, the padding is 6 rem. Then when I give margin bottom should be 6 rem, I am giving him width should be 100%, and then I'm giving him display should be slash slash webkit slash box. Then display should be slash slash webkit slash flex. And then display should be slash ms slash flex box. And then display should be flex. Then slash slash webkit. And when you write here slash slash webkit, in the slash slash webkit you write like slash should be box slash pack should be justify. When you write that, then you write here slash slash webkit should be justify content should be space slash between. It is giving me here error here. What type of error? Let me see. Okay, because of here I do not write that, and now it not give me the error. Now when it come down, then I run like ms slash flex slash pack. Here I write justify. Then what can I do when I do like that? Here I write like justify content should be space between. Then slash slash webkit select box align. Here we also write start, and then slash slash webkit slash align slash items should be flex start, and then slash slash ms slash now slash should be here we also write one. Oh, slash should be ms and then comma, then flex align should be I'm writing start, and then align item should be flex start. And when we do like that, so let me tell you what we can do. Now we write here dot header should be top should be slash brand, and here I like color should be hashtag 00 f6 like that. Then dot header top, then slash brand, then here I am writing like dot bold, and then here I like text transform. I'm giving the text transform should be uppercase, means our all letters will be in the uppercase. Then dot header should be top should be dot brand should be h1 should be font size 1.9 rem, and the font weight should be 300, and then margin bottom 0.4 rem. Now let's write here dot header top should be brand should be hr, then slash, and when we write dot brand slash hr, write here margin should be 0. And now here we write now dot header top should be slash nav should be ul, float should be right, margin should be 0, then padding should be also be 0, list style should be none. Then dot header again you write here, let me show you. Dot header top, then slash, then nav, then ul li, then here you write like display should be inline block, then dot header top should be slash nav, ul li should be in the ratio we write like last child. Then here are like margin right should be 0, and then enter press. Then when we do like that, then we write here like dot header top should be slash nav ul lia, font size 1.25 rem. Now let's big our text, and then color should be hashtag fff, then line height 2.5 rem, then I'm giving him font weight 300, then enter press, sorry not enter press. Here you write slash webkit slash transition should be I'm giving all should be 0.3 seconds, and then slash o slash transition I'm giving him all should be 0.3 seconds, and then now here we write like transition should be all should be 0.3 second. And now when you do like that, enter press, and then add head top slash nav ULLIA hover comma dot header top should be slash nav ULLIA active, then color as tag CCCCC, then text decoration should be dot header, then content width 80%, margin 0 should be auto, and then when you do like that, here you write like color FFF, font size 1.8 rem, text align should be center. Now when you do like that, then let me tell you what you can do. Here we enter press, dot header content P, then line height 2.25 rem, and then dot header content P should be first child. Okay, first child, here we write like line height should be 3.3 rem, dot header content should be dot btn, here I write like margin should be top 3 rem. Better. Okay, now this some better thing we are doing now. So now let's define header again. Then in the header we define like arrow. In the arrow we define margin should be top should be 4.05 rem, then text align should be center, then dot then dot header arrow should be a, color hashtag FFF, font size 1.5 rem, then dot header arrow should be a, then I, then slash bracket slash animation should be bounce should be 2 seconds infinite. Then let's come down, then animation you write here. In the animation you write here bounce 2 seconds infinite. Now when you do like that, so let me tell you what you can do now. Here you write, now we are defining in the save it and run it. So now it look like this. Here you can see it. So now anyways what we can do, let me tell you now. First of all we go here, first of all we write here @media. In the media we write like min width should be 47.9 em, and then header top should be top slash responsive, margin top should be, I'm giving minus 0.75 rem. What is that? Margin top. Okay, but now let's come down, dot header top, I'm giving him padding top should be 3.5 rem, then margin bottom 10 rem, then dot header content, I'm giving him font size 2 rem, then dot header content should be dot btn, padding dot 6 rem, 1.7 rem, then dot header arrow, I'm giving him like margin top 12.85 rem, @media min slash width 61.9 em, header top, I'm giving him margin bottom 16 rem, and then here I am giving dot header content should be font size 2.5 rem, then dot header content again. I'm giving him like dot header content, and then I'm giving him p. Then in the p I'm writing here line height 2.45 rem, then dot header arrow I'm giving him margin top 16 rem. Now enter press again. Now let's write media. Min slash width should be 74.9 em. In here we write like header top. In the header top we define margin bottom. I am giving 9.5 rem. Then we define dot header content. Now here we define font size 3 rem. Now we defining header content should be p. Here I am defining line height 2.95 rem. Now we defining dot header content. Content should be dot btn. Margin top should be 4 rem, and then font size I am giving him 1.2 rem. Then dot header arrow I am giving him margin top. Margin top should be 12 rem. Save, then run. So this type of one has been built. Here you can see it, and when you F12 it, so it looked like that. Here you can see it. It is also looking in responsive. Okay. Now but come here and enter press, and then here we write hashtag about. Here we define padding 5 rem should be 0, and text align should be center. Hashtag about should be img. Border 2 pixels solid. Hashtag 232323, and then I am writing border radius 100%, padding, then 0.2 rem, then margin top. Margin top is not any important, but let's write it like margin top. Okay, margin top I'm giving him 2d3 rem. Then margin bottom I'm giving him 2 rem. Hashtag about dot lead, font size 1.5 rem. Then color hashtag 00ff60, font weight 700, and then when we font weight 700 we write here margin bottom 1.5 rem. About p, font size 1.25 rem. Color hashtag 2323, okay, like that. Then what you can do 2323, then hashtag about pa. Color hashtag 2323, then text decoration should be underline. Then slash webkit slash transition should be I'm giving me all 0.3 seconds slash o slash transition all 0.3 seconds, and then transition all 0.3 seconds. Now when we do it, so we write about, then pa hover, color hashtag 00fc60, like that, and then we write here hashtag about p, then p plus p. Here we define like margin bottom 2 rem, and then hashtag media I'm giving him min width We are also giving him in responsive. Okay, so now hashtag about, I'm giving him width 85%, margin 0 should be auto. Then what can we do here? We write about h2. Here we write here font size 2.2 rem. Then hashtag about dot lead. Here I'm giving him like font size 1.7 rem, and then margin bottom I'm giving him 1.5 rem, and then hashtag about p I'm giving him like font size 1.45 rem. And then what we can do, we write here when we do like that in the here. Okay, so here we define like media min slash width should be, I'm writing here 61.9 em. Hashtag about, I'm giving him width should be 80%. Hashtag about h2 font size, I'm giving him 2.4 rem, and a should be in smaller of the about id, and then about p dot sorry lead, I'm giving him like font size 1.7 rem. And then I'm writing here margin bottom should be 1.5 rem. Then hashtag about should be p, I'm writing font size 1.45 rem. Now when till here our work is done, so let me tell you what you can do. Here you write media, then you write here min, then width, then you write 61.9 em, and then what you can do here, you write hashtag about, and your a should be must be in smaller, and then you write here width again 80%. Okay, like here we write 61.9 em. Okay, we have already written it. Okay, but when we come down here, first of all we define like 47.61 have h2 2.4 rem. Okay, that 47.2 rem. Okay, perfect. Let me erase it, and then let's come down and 1.65. Okay, 1.45 rem. Okay, this above one is like 61.9 em I give, and this above one is 47.9 em. In the 47.9 em I write like 1.45, then in that 61.9 em we write here this, and you write here 1.65. Okay, like that, and you write here 1.9, and here you write like 2.4 and 80%. Okay, it is good now. Now let's come down and let's define one more, and now for that you define here media. In the media you define here min slash width, in the min slash width, and then 74.9 em you write here. When you write this, you write here now you write here hashtag about should be width should be 60%, and then hashtag about should be h2, I write here font size 2.6 rem, and then hashtag about dot lead font size 2.1 rem, and then margin bottom 1.5 rem. Hashtag about p, I'm giving him font size should be 1.85 rem. Hashtag about p plus p you write here now. Here you write margin bottom should be 2.2 rem. Now Now define our one new section by the name of skills. Okay, hashtag skills. Background color hashtag 2323. Hashtag 2323. Save it and run it. So here you can see that this page has been also built it who I am, like that. So but anyways, let's come on it here. And now we define their padding should be 5 rem, should be 0. Now hashtag skills should be h2. I'm giving him color hashtag 00f6c, text align center. Then hashtag skills hr, margin bottom 3 rem. Then hashtag skills dot skill display slash webkit slash box, then display slash webkit flex display, and then I write here display should be slash ms, should be flexbox, and then display should be flex slash webkit slash box aligned, should be I'm giving him center, then slash webkit slash aligned items, I'm giving him also be center. And when it will be do it, then I did that dot slash ms slash flex align, I'm giving him should be center, then align items center. And then what we can do now, here we define here a hashtag should be hashtag skills dot skills percent margin right 1.75 rem, and then font size 4.5 rem, and then here I write like font weight 700, and then color hashtag ccc. And when we do like that, now one more skills we define, then is dot skill, then dot progress slash container, and then slash webkit. So okay, and then flag basis I write like 100%, font size 1.125 rem, color I am giving him should be hashtag f3. Then here I write like hashtag skills dot skill dot progress container dot progress, border radius 0, then margin top 15 rem, not 50 dot 35 rem, background color hashtag 37337. And then what we can do here now when we do like that, so let me tell you. So first of all we go down, and then here we define like hashtag skill, then dot skill, then dot progress slash container dot progress slash bar. Then height I'm giving him should be 1.125 rem, and then background color I'm giving him 00ff6c. Then portfolio we are defining portfolio padding I'm giving him 5 rem should be 0, and then text align I'm giving him should be centered, and then in the portfolio in the HR I'm giving him margin bottom 3 rem, and in the portfolio I'm giving the figure should be I'm giving him position should be relative, and then hashtag position portfolio, I'm giving him figure img should be width 100%, hashtag portfolio figure, sorry, fig caption, I'm giving him position should be absolute, then top, then when I give position should be absolute, now top should be 0.75 rem, right 0.75 rem, then bottom should be 0.75 rem, then left 75.75 rem, and then background color should be hashtag this type of color I'm giving him, then padding top should be 4 rem, then opacity I'm giving him should be 0, and then transition I'm giving him should be all 0.5 seconds, and then I'm giving him color should be hashtag 292323, and then enter press, then I define here portfolio should be figure, fig caption should be hover, background color should be I'm giving RGBA 0, 10, 0, then 255, then 100, then comma, then 0.6. So till here our all thing of done our CSS. So now we are diving in our JavaScript code. Okay, this last line is reflected and opacity. And now we ended our CSS code. So now we are starting our JavaScript code. So let's get started without wasting a time. But let me show you our interface where till here we have built it. So let's see it. So like till here we have done till here I have done it. So let me save it and let me run it from here. So here you can see it, till here we have built it, my skill portfolio. And if your font is not coming, if it is giving you the error in your font, so what you can do, you write here this font serial like that. Then I hope it not give you the error. And okay, so now let's start our JavaScript code. We have written our HTML, CSS both code. And so let's get start our JavaScript code. For writing a JavaScript code, first of all you make one file by the name of script.js in your downloads and in your folder which I have created for you. And when you created that folder and when you created your file, so then what you can do, now let's start to write our JavaScript code. So let's start to write our JavaScript code. To write a JavaScript code, first of all what you can do, you write here $, and then here you write like function should be function, and then here you write enter, then here you write like / menu responsive, then let's give him, so first of all you $, then this, then double comma, then dot menu should be minus, okay, right here minus, then responsive, then dot toggle I'm giving him should be like that. Now here you like do like that, and then you write here menu, sorry, dot menu / bars, then dot on, then here you write like click comma function. And when you write that type of thing, let me tell you what you can do, write that, sorry, write this, and then like that, then again $, when you then you do like that, then menu, then / then responsive, then dot toggle should be slow. So till here our JavaScript work is also be done. Till here our JavaScript also be done. Like CS, there is a very few code of JavaScript. That's why the JavaScript is very smaller. So but save it, and let me now show you the interface of our website. So let's see it. So first of all save it. Now come here and refresh it. So now here you can see it is looking like that. Here you can see it now. It is looking like that. When you click here, so it come down like that, then it is like that, it is coming. when you add a JavaScript, it is look like very interactive, and when you click Bake, you will be automatically directed on my channel. So you can see when you add a JavaScript, it is looking like very dynamic, okay, and very beautiful. And when here you can see it about, then you come out to the about. Hi, I'm Bake, a designer and front-end developer from Malibia, United States. I love helping business of all sides to build and improve their online presence like that, like portfolio. So then I come on my portfolio, it is coming soon. I do not add any image of portfolio. You will also add your image of your portfolio. Then I will contact. In contact, do you like what you see, need a web developer, then web designer. So this come like this, contact me like that. And let me show you in the responsive. It in the responsive, when you click here, it is come like that. Clicks here, you can see it. In the responsive, it is also look like very beautiful, and when you close it, it will be closed, and when you open it, it will be open it. But when I add a CSS, and with the CSS it is not closing, but when I add a JavaScript, it is now closing it. Here you can see it. So I hope you can enjoy this class. In today's class, we build our what our personal portfolio, and now let's give me the outro of this video in my big face in the big intro. So let's go on my big intro. And that's a wrap on building our responsive personal portfolio website from Figma to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I hope this project helps you can learn how to bring a design to life with code. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to program CodeWithPk for more tutorials on responsive design, animations, more. Drop a comment below with any question or ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.